You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, this name, from Wings of Fire, once and for all correctly. This is also the name of a genus of butterflies, nocturnal insects. Now, from Wings of Fire, it's pronounced Pyrrhia. Pyrrhia in the audiobooks, and the author says it herself. Pyrrhia. Stress on the first syllable. Some argue it could be pronounced Pyrrhia as well, from the word pyros, which means fire, in Greek, I believe. So, yeah, it's kind of up to you, but generally, Pyrrhia is accepted as being the correct pronunciation, although you could argue it should be pronounced Pyrrhia. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.